Okay, I am not around today, so really quick, this is what we're going to be doing for today. When you go to the hub, press start. It tells you what we're doing today, what you're doing today. The video will be before the daily agenda. Complete the daily agenda as you need to. This is attendance and points. Every day that you do not complete the daily agenda, you lose a point and your grade goes down. The next thing we're doing is a scary Halloween show. The scary Halloween show is to help you write your radio show. We are writing a radio show, and it is going to be audio only, and it is going to be 2.5 minutes, and you're going to have to write the script, and the script is going to involve you reporting on location, audio only, of some horrible event that has happened, or some unbelievable event, or some impossible event that has happened that is scary in some way and is going to let you build tension and do what we did in the do what you heard in the radio show using only your voice and sound effects. So at the beginning of this unit, we listened to a radio show. We saw what could happen. We heard what could happen when a skilled actor using just voice and some other people and sound effects really did a dramatic reading, which is basically what you're going to do. So in this sequence, in this show, it's mostly dialogue. There are visuals, but the visuals are secondary. Okay? And one thing I want you to look at is how the visuals, although they're secondary, still allow the story to be told much more efficiently. And what I want you to see here is that if they didn't have the visuals, they wouldn't be able to do as much, and they wouldn't be able to create as much tension as if they just used words. You wouldn't see that today was the kid's birthday. You wouldn't necessarily understand. They would have to explain that. So when you're making your show, understand there's some things that you take for granted because you have visual, you have images, and you don't have to explain it. But for the radio show, you're not going to have that. So look at what you can do with audio only and the kind of suspense and tension you can create. Okay. We are then going to go the film project. The expectation for today is that you finish Casablanca. If you haven't done the parent-guardian consent, do so now. In the next week or so, you're no longer going to be making a choice. I'm going to have to put you down as don't watch Casablanca or the special independent project. So you will not be able to watch the movie. There are at least 50 people who have not made the choice. You get points for this. This is a grade. You will get a 0 and you will not be able to complete the project if you do not make a choice. So do that right now. Okay? Once you do that, you need to do your research and then you can watch the film. If you have not done your research, you have time to do that today and I will grade it and you can move on and watch the film. You have time today to do all 3 of these things and begin watching the film. Remember, I want you to watch about 20-30 minutes of the film and write about what you hear and see. You have time today to finish all 3 tasks. if you can get it done. If you choose not to do it, I will not be able to enter these grades into progress report, and you will get zeros for them. You have a chance to do all 3 of these tasks. If you haven't started your professional technical project or you need to finish it, you may have time to complete that. The code.org grade is past due. It will go in for progress reports. So if you haven't done Dance Party, you need to get that done also before tomorrow so I can put it in for your progress report and you can get those points. We did the production project exit ticket. You are working on exit ticket 10. It is an extra point. It is rewarded at the end of every week. You can do as many exit tickets as you want, but as soon as you get a badge, you have the point for the week. Okay, that is all that we're doing today. Find something that you have not completed. The only new work is a Scary Show number 2. Everything else we have been working on, trying to finish, trying to get you to a point where you are keeping up with the projects and the work.